Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring a 1969 Pontiac Firebird convertible. This Pontiac Firebird is finished in Carousel Red over Parchment White. It has a 3-speed automatic transmission and a 350 cubic inch V8 engine. The Firebird was designed from the Camaro's F-body design and shared the GTO's A-body drivetrain. A unique and quite striking split grille front end gave the Firebird a distinctive and attractive appearance and set it apart from the Camaro. The Firebird also got a louver-style tail lamp and side louver treatments on the front and rear quarter panels. The Firebird was a bit longer than the Camaro, making for a sleeker look that many collectors still to this day prefer over the Chevrolet counterpart. It was available in a sport coupe and convertible in 5 versions. What Pontiac had created with the Firebird was an instant success, selling well over 30,000 units by the end of March of 1967. This enduring classic went on to win races against other manufacturers' best designs, creating a legend that still stirs the souls of collectors and muscle car enthusiasts all over the world. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.